we're here at the Wellcome Trust to launch the World Health Organisation's technical brief on encephalitis. We've all been saying at Encephalitis International for a long time, probably a couple of decades, that encephalitis is important. But it's the first time really that the World Health Organization has said not only encephalitis is important, but here's what we need to do about it. We had a panel all coming together to talk about why this was important, what's in the brief and what we're going to do about it. So it's very much a case of watch this space, but there's some really exciting stuff coming up that we hope is going to change the global landscape of encephalitis around the world.
My name is Nicoline Schiess. I'm an adult neurologist and a technical officer in the Brain Health Unit at the WHO headquarters in Geneva. Neurological disorders are the #1 cause of disability worldwide. So the whole entire brief was a real pleasure to make, and we are hopeful that it will have a positive impact on a global scale. The hope is to improve lives and to save lives, and so in order to do that, there are many different aspects from a public health perspective that need to be implemented.
I feel it every day when I assist a patient that says, I know nothing about my disease, and I can refer them to the website, and I can refer them to the videos online and to the work in general. It's really important for them and of course to me.
I think it's fair to say that in the neurological field, encephalitis has lagged a little bit of a way behind some other common neurological conditions like meningitis and stroke. But by the WHO releasing this technical brief on encephalitis, it really is putting encephalitis on the map.
The whole point of a technical brief is that it defines, according to WHO terms, what needs to be done within countries. Now, it's going to be different in the countries themselves, depending on what level of development they're at and what particular causes of encephalitis they have. But this document will guide local policymakers to focus on the particular issues in their country.
Having this technical brief in place means that you've got all of the expertise from an incredible international community of medical experts that have brought everything together in one document, from patient outcomes to lived experiences to the importance of vaccinations.
So the World Health Organization is respected around the world. When it speaks, people listen. So the fact that it's written a technical brief on encephalitis shows just how important it is, and it shows that the world needs to come together to do something about it.
And so my hope for people affected by the encephalitis in the future is that they can access the care that they need at the point at which they need, and also at no financial burden. What that means is that the condition needs to be recognized, that people are able to access hospitals based on or regardless of their geographical location or financial situation, and that within the hospitals there are resources and the expertise that allows them to be treated appropriately and promptly, because that can truly improve the outcomes.